In this video, we will learn, how do you create a virtual machine, using the Azure portal. We want to create a virtual machine. So let us click on the virtual machine section, and then click on, Create Virtual Machine. Let's create a new resource group, and name the new resource group in our virtual machine. Now here you can see the Azure data centers. Now you need to choose where you want to create this virtual machine. Select one of these geographical regions. The best practice is to choose a virtual machine that is closest to the user. Then you may want to choose an availability option, to make sure that it's available at all times, and doesn't get affected in events of disasters. Because in this case we are just creating a test environment, so we'll leave the available option at this time. The next option is to choose the kind of operating system. Now this virtual machine is being created somewhere out on one of the Azure data centers, which we selected just right here.